Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the question. I will suggest you to collect your ideas from your nostalgia, and it will be a self-testing for you, and it will be a checkpoint that how teacher taught you in 1960s, and did your fifth grade teacher teach you some rules to handle such types of tricky math expressions? Question is 5 minus 5 times 5 over 5. What will be its answer? I think that you are very genius and you have calculated the answer by just seeing it. But remember that most people get the answer 0. How they get 0? Because 5 minus 5 is 0 times 5 over 5. Now what will be its answer? Obviously it is 0 over 5. Now 0 over 5 is 0. But I have told you that 0 is not correct answer. It means all this is incorrect. So we have to handle this question according to those rules which you were taught in 1960s by your teacher, which is Pemdas, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division are same, addition and subtraction are same. First of all, parenthesis, which is known as bracket, exponent is power, which is 2 cube or 2 square. Multiplication, division are same. Treat numerator as single portion and denominator as other portion. It means we have to make parentheses of numerator as well as denominator. So we can rewrite this question as 5 minus 5 times 5 divided by 5. Okay, now treat this one and apply Pemdas rule here. We have subtraction and multiplication. Which operation should be performed first according to Pemdas? That is multiplication. It means this one is to be preferred. We will get 5 minus 25 divided by 5. Okay, now 5 minus 25 gave us minus 20 divided by 5. Now division will be carried out and we will get minus 4. That will be our answer for this tricky math challenge. Thank you for your participation.